Okay, in this video, I'd like to share with you a pair of shoes I 3D printed. First of all, the shoes were printed with FDM printers. To be exact, a Nano 3 printer. The material includes TPE and TPU, both of which are flexible material. And my Ender 3 has replaced its Bowden extruder with a direct extruder so that the Ender 3 can work with flexible material. I saw some videos of DIY shoes with 3D printer. Most of them involves professional design and resin-based printer. Some people introduced their design and printing process with a FDM type printer, but few of their shoes were actually wearable or bearable. My design was not perfect, but maybe it would be helpful if learn one or two tips from my experience. So I designed the shoe body as separate in several parts. The shell of the tread, this part, tread, T-R-E-A-D, I hope that is a word. Inside, it is a pad to hold your feet. Above the pad is an insole. Above the shell, tread shell, is the instep, and on the instep there is a tongue, the white part, the tongue and shoelaces. It's normal that a shoe is separated to a tread part and an instep part, but normally these two parts are glued together. However, my idea is, why not try something different when we can design and print our own shoes. Glue is troublesome. Glue is troublesome because the two parts may be together forever once they are glued together. My idea is to design a prototype like a transformer shoe. So the tread and the instep are just bound through buckles. And can be easily disassembled. You can assemble different treads with one step or one step with different instep. For instance, you can make insteps with different thickness for different seasons. As long as these steps fit the same buckles, you can fit any of them to the same tread. The vice versa for different treads. Okay, to be continued.